and today I'm going to be walking you guys through and showing you why you might want to steer clear of meditation and sleep ambient audio channels. I'll also show you that these types of channels can still be monetized, but not through the YouTube Partner Program. When I talk about meditation, I'm talking about all meditation channels, with the minor exception of guided meditation. I say minor because even these are still risky. Not only are they extremely oversaturated, but to steer clear from YouTube's repetitive and reused content policy, you'll need to basically have made your own meditation sounds or music, hire voiceover artists to do guided meditation videos, and not loop the same video and images throughout all your videos. Even then, this becomes extremely challenging, and the time and money involved in doing all this can be spent in a higher CPM niche. Sleep and ambient audio channels are all in the same category here. The relaxing sound, sleep music channels are even worse. YouTube will quickly find that these channels' videos are against their policies based on repetitive and reused content. Don't believe me on this? Don't take it from me. I'll show you examples of real people discussing the same topic in a high-quality YouTube creator Facebook group I'm in. I will not be sharing their names for their own privacy's sake, but you can rest assured knowing that these real people are sharing their real experience. So, can you still make money with meditation and sleep channels? Let me say that you can still find a way to monetize these types of channels outside of YouTube's partner program, like selling affiliate products, so technically they can still make money, but just not with ads. Most people are looking for the traditional YouTube monetization strategy and aren't looking to do affiliate marketing, which is totally understandable. If you do guided meditation, for example, you could create and sell your own online course, which maybe dives into further details or provides a full course on the topic, or promote someone else's guided meditation course and receive commission. So yes, you can still make money with these types of channels even if YouTube restricts you from joining their program. You'll just need to do a bit more research and work. Let's take a look at a giant meditation channel and see what they are doing to monetize. For example, Soothing Relaxation is a huge meditation channel. They apparently have composers' original music on here, complete with visuals. I'm not 100% sure if they are monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, but looking in their description, they post a lot of attribution and links to the composer and their own website for free downloads. I clicked on two separate links. One goes to their emailing list, which they are building from their viewers, and the other is going to their website where they are selling the album playlist that you hear in the YouTube video for you to buy and listen to. Not even if they aren't in the YouTube Partner Program, they are probably receiving compensation for hosting the composer's music on their channel first off, and second, they are building an emailing list and selling the music on their website. So they are monetizing this channel in these other ways. Alright, so let's show examples here. I personally stayed away from these niches for this reason, and also they aren't interesting to me. Many people have tried the meditation niche and it doesn't seem like they were successful. Many are being labeled by YouTube as repetitive reused content. If you're trying to outsource any part of this video creation as well, the freelancers making these videos are probably using some sort of repetitive and reused content as well. There just isn't any other way to make 100% original content here unless you make your own music and voiceover. And of course, the visuals can't be repetitive in nature. I'm strictly talking about guided meditation here. If you are going to go after a sleep or ambient audio channel, these are considered spammy even if you have your own recorded audio. Even using copyright-free music, you have to imagine the number of other channels doing the same thing, probably thousands. So if you have thousands of channels using the same exact copyright-free sounds and music in the same way, this is considered spammy. YouTube will identify this when they go to review your channel and won't let you join their program. This platinum expert here put it best. The whole purpose of YouTube monetization program is for viewers to see the ads and hopefully click on them. The chances of people paying attention to ads with both meditation and ambient audio are very low. So you might be wondering then, how are the bigger channels in this niche able to be monetized? According to this guy, they are probably grandfathered in over the years, especially if they are an older channel, so they are allowed to continue. Also, these channels have a highly established following, so they tend to get a lot of views when they put out new content. In conclusion, we just went over why the sleep and meditation niches might not be the best to get into if you really want a YouTube monetized channel. You are playing with major risks here, being that YouTube is cracking down big time on reused and repetitive content on channel.